It's Ali from Keep a Car Safe. I'm going to run through our BMW 5 Series F10, F11 and F07 headlight refurbishment and repair from water damage service. Within our refurb and repair service, we'll strip the headlight down to the bare casing, check over the internal wiring, rebuild the headlight back up, seal it with a new lens, and apply new seals and gaskets where they're applicable. Price for the service is $275 plus VAT based on all the internal wiring harnesses not being corroded. Here's an example of a clean wiring harness inside the headlight. And here's a corroded one. If it's corroded, it will be $375 plus VAT for the service, and we'll additionally fit a new aftermarket harness inside, which we've matched to OEM specification. The service covers the bare headlight only and doesn't include any external electrical components such as the LED drivers, xenon ballasts, or control units. Your original items will be reused, and if you have any water damage items that need to be replaced, we can supply OEM replacements. The most common water damage item that we see is the TMS module. Currently, they are £405.55 plus VAT per module. BMW does increase these prices from time to time, and if you want to supply your own aftermarket TMS, we will be able to fit that up and initialize it for no charge. Symptoms of water damage TMS is that you'll either have intermittent or persistent errors on the instrument cluster and iDrive, and the angel eyes won't be functional. You may have adaptive errors and vertical aim errors as well. Typically, if the condensation has just started and you have no errors on the car, we should be able to dry out the TMS and reuse it. However, that isn't guaranteed and is on a case-by-case basis. Of the different types of 5 Series headlights you can get on your car. Here's a pre-LCI halogen headlight, which can be identified through the slats on the side. Here's a pre-LCI non-adaptive xenon, which has a black inner section and no top cap. Here's a pre-LCI adaptive xenon, which has that inner reflector and a top cap there. Here's an LCI non-adaptive xenon, which has chrome trims inside and a black inner section. And here's an LCI adaptive headlight, which has that same chrome trim and that inner reflector. And here's the LCI LED headlight. We have same day turnaround available for the pre-LCI halogens, pre-LCI non-adaptives, pre-LCI adaptives, and the LCI non-adaptive headlights. For the LCI adaptive headlights and the adaptive LED headlights, we don't have same day turnaround available due to the complexity of the headlight and the additional tests and checks that we have to run in-house. These will be a 3-day turnaround. To be eligible for exchange, your current headlights must be factory OEM, unmodified, and have no physical damage. We don't accept any Headlight branded headlights or aftermarket cloned headlights. We can usually see you within 2 weeks of booking an appointment, or we can book you in for a day that suits you. We are available for fittings Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. All bookings are done through the website, and for any questions or queries, please message us on WhatsApp and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you from us all at KYCS.